In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Lookup Source. If you want to display information from one table inside another table without typing it manually, the lookup field in Airtable is a very useful tool. It helps you pull in data from a related table so everything stays connected and easier to manage. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set that up clearly and smoothly. First, open the table where you want the information from another table to appear. This is the table where the lookup field will live, so make sure you're in the right place before you begin. It's helpful to quickly confirm that this is the destination table, especially if your base contains several similar looking tables. Next, make sure you already have a linked record field in that table. This part is important because a lookup field depends on an existing relationship between two tables. In other words, Airtable needs to know which records are connected before it can pull in any related information. If that linked record field is already there, you're ready to continue. Now add the lookup field. To do that, click the plus button to create a new field, then choose the lookup field type. This tells Airtable that the new column should display information based on linked records rather than manual entry. Give yourself a moment here to confirm you selected lookup and not a different field type with a similar name. After that, choose the source for the lookup. Airtable will ask which linked record field should be used, and this is where you select the linked record field you already prepared. This step tells Airtable where to pull the relationship from, so accuracy matters here. Once the source is selected, choose the field from the linked table that you want to display. For example, this could be a status, a category, a date, or any other field stored in the related table. The key is to select the exact field whose values you want to appear in your current table. Then save the lookup field settings. This applies your configuration and creates the new field in the table. At this point, Airtable will automatically begin showing the matching values based on the linked records. Finally, review the values that appear in your table. Take a close look and confirm that the correct linked data is showing for each record. If something looks off, it usually means the linked record source or displayed field needs to be checked. Once everything looks correct, your lookup field is ready to use and will help keep your data connected and organized.